It isn't giving living room. All right, you guys. At this point, I'm going to say that I am a horrible vlogger. It's like, nah, I'm really not. But I lost footage today again. And I don't know what I'm gonna do different. I had a story time for you guys today, and it was about how Wayfair had me. Yeah, Wayfair definitely had me. And I wish I still had the clips to insert them, but I don't. And yeah, that's pretty much my life. So right now I'm actually setting up. I have a client coming in to get her makeup done. It's probably the same client, not probably, but it is the same client that you guys have been seeing me vlog or whatever. But I'm doing makeup tonight.
It's 6 o'clock.
Thank you, Apple. It's 6 o'clock over here. Yeah, you guys. So let me tell y'all how Wayfair had me fucked up. Oh, I had to cut my nails down, y'all. Look at this. I had to cut these are my nails, and I had to cut them down because I was not going to get one fix. I just got a fill-in, literally Thursday. Not doing that. And these were all my nails, and I had to cut them down, so whatever. Anywho, back to this Wayfair thing. So I ordered a couch on Wayfair. You know, I haven't seen I haven't had any bad experiences as far as furniture, you know, purchasing furniture from Wayfair. A couple of things that I've gotten from Wayfair has been okay, you know, has been fine. So I'm like, okay, cool. Let me see about ordering a couch. So I ordered a couch from Wayfair, and it appeared to be a decent sized couch for a single person. You know, like it was nothing too crazy or whatever. They delivered my couch, and my couch came in 2 boxes. I'm so mad I do not have the footage. Like, that is so upsetting. Yeah, I had to turn that off real quick. It was messing with my lighting. Right? So it came in 2 boxes. So automatically I'm like, 2 boxes? What are we doing here? Okay, so I go through the process. I take everything out. Now, I have never ordered a couch from Wayfair before. I have never ordered a couch where I had to put together myself, piece by piece. My sister just rolled up on me, literally. Rolled up on me, rolled up to my balcony. Hey! Told my son, here's the stuff you wanted. Yeah, so, where was I? So so I've never ordered a couch. Like I've never even witnessed anyone put a couch together. Like when I hear the word couch, right? In my head, right? I see delivery men carrying the and that shit is wrapped up. That's what I see in my head when I hear the word couch or ordering a couch, right? Cool. That's my process, you know. And if anything needs to be put together, like if it's, you know, if it's a sectional, I think they have like 3-piece sectionals or 4-piece sectionals, however that works. Once again, there's men that carry the right? and they put the together, okay? And they go about their business, and you get to sit on your mother couch. I have never in my life put a couch together. A whole couch, like a whole couch. And then, nah, I've gotta have these pictures somewhere. I have to, like there's just no way. So this is what the couch looks like from Wayfair. I am absolutely not thrilled. Looks like we're back at square one. Sis was on the floor. Like, sis was on the floor screwing stuff, and then you could tell that the item was cheaply made, right? I say this to say, well, because you know, like usually in a couch, right? In, I guess, the older couches, maybe they don't make couches the way they used to make couches anymore. But in the older couches, it used to be like stuff inside, like and it's not as hollow, right? I got the couch, like there was just nothing in the couch. It was just straight box, material, cushion. Where is the rest of it? The fact that you guys think that people want to put couches together is beyond me. I did read the reviews. I did read the reviews. And when I called, I called Wayfair. I said, after I was done slaving, mind you, I was done putting the couch together, and I put it together, and the couch looked as if it was supposed to be in like a dollhouse or for chance. Like, nah, bro, this is a sectional for you, because I don't know what section Wayfair thought I was sitting on, but this wasn't it, right? Laneige lip sleeping mask. It's so good. Love it. It's a, well, I don't know what you guys consider expensive, but if you could buy Rihanna lip gloss, you could buy a sleeping mask for your lips. And that's one period. Anywho, after I finally put the couch together, like literally, I had to attach the cushions, Velcro, this, do that. I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that. And that's just the reality of it. I don't want to do that. If I'm paying for a couch, bring it in, like done. Or something, I don't know. I called the Wayfair. I called Wayfair like, yeah, I don't know what went wrong, but I need to return this couch. He's like, oh, well, you know, what is wrong with it? What's the problem that you're having with this couch? Is it not to your liking? When I legitimately said, ma'am, this couch isn't giving living room. I was like, the cushions aren't cushioning. It's, where are they? Where's the pillows? Where's the feathers? Where's the stuff? Where's the stuff? I said, yeah, it's not giving what I thought it was going to give. So I need y'all to come pick it up. Okay, well, we could schedule for FedEx. I don't even hear the word FedEx. But we could schedule for FedEx to come pick up your package or whatever. You just have to take everything apart. I have to take everything apart. So you mean to tell me after I done struggled to put this thing together, like an actual couch, right? Y'all want me to take it apart too? The lady was like, well, yeah, we just have to make sure that all the items, you know, fit into the 2 boxes that we sent you. So yeah, I had to take the goddamn couch apart. And I sent that back. Packing, okay? So now I'm on a search for a couch. Another one. I think I'm just gonna stick with what I know. Ashley Furniture, baby. You've been holding me down, so I think, you guys, I think I like dimple. It's a fake one, like it's there. It's there, but it's not there. Look. Anyway, so I'm gonna stick with what I know, and that's when Mary had a little lamb. I think I gotta go do my mom's hair. All right, y'all. I'll be back. All right, y'all. I'm back. I'm doing my mom's quick little get up. My sister put me onto these. Pretty damn good. Right now, I am setting up for my makeup appointment. I ordered a sidebar, like complete sidebar. It has nothing to do with anything, but I ordered these coffee mugs. I kind of sort of feel like I should have got the bigger one, but I really, really like these. These are so freaking pretty. And then it came with like a little, I'm gonna say stirrer or a little coffee spoon. Look how cute this is. I can't wait to have my iced coffee in this. So freaking cute. About to be big. Hey. Okay. As you guys can see, I started doing my client's makeup. You guys will be seeing that in the next couple of clips. I also had to do her hair or refresh her hair, however you want to call it. So keep watching. This is the end of Vlogmas day 17. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one.